Hey guys, Ross here from Lifestyle Property People. So I'm just in a property that we've just completed on. This one is a 2 bedroom spread over 3 floors. It's an end terrace. I'm currently on the 2nd floor where the 2nd bedroom is. I just wanted to give you a quick tour of the house and show you a couple of the items that we'll be picking up on to get this into a lettable state. So this here is the 2nd bedroom. It's had a dormer fitted. As you can see, it's a very light and airy room. It's in pretty good condition as it is. Very little work to do up here, just a bit of a tidy round. Paint some of the walls where there's some water stains. I believe that was from when the flashings were in a state of disrepair. I've had the roof around already and he's had a quick look at them and he thinks they're fine. So I don't think there's anything to do there. I think the actual remedial work's been done. So I'll take you downstairs. As you can see, the handrails are already fitted, which is great, so we don't need to do them. So in front of us here is the 1st bedroom, 1st floor. So a decent sized double bedroom here. Nice big window letting in lots of light throughout the day. Again, very little work in here, just a little bit of a freshen up. The carpets are in good condition throughout. Just going to check all the smoke alarms, work throughout. Yeah, you may notice there's a bit of beeping going on in the background. That's one of the smoke detectors. So yeah, we're going to get them checked out, get them working, maybe put new ones in. Just make sure that we're covered and that the tenants are protected. So this here is the bathroom. It's in good condition. Decent suite. The floor we're going to get re-grouted. It's a bit messy. Put a new blind in. I'm going to reseal around the toilet, the sink and the bath. Make them look nice and fresh. But other than that, the room is in good condition. So we'll now go downstairs. So this here is the living room. As you can see, it's good size, good condition. The walls are generally in good condition throughout. Carpet's in perfect condition. Decent sized window letting in lots of light. So again, another room, very little work to do. This is the kitchen. Floor needs a bit of work doing. It may just need a tidy up, but we'll get that sorted and then we'll see whether any extra work needs doing or whether it's just the case of tidying up. I'm going to fix that cupboard door. I'm going to replace the blind, reseal around the worktops. And then that's about it in here. It's basically just making sure that the property is nice and tidy. We're covered from a legal's perspective. Yeah, like I said, nice and tidy throughout. Covered from a legal perspective, just so that if anything was to happen, we've done all we possibly can to make sure or to minimise any risks. So yeah, overall it's a great property. It's in good condition. For us, this means that the refurb time will be very small, so we can get the property to the letting agent and get let out as soon as possible, which obviously reduces costs for the investor. Some of the properties that we look at, the refurbs are a little bit bigger, but we tend to focus on the smaller refurbs where the refurb times are, quick turnaround. It's just how we prefer it. Some people prefer to do a huge refurb, take everything back to brick, but we prefer quick in and out refurb, get the property let out and get the money coming back in. So overall, great investment, should be a quick turnaround and then onto the market. So that's all, and I'll see you soon.